exactly mean. Okay, so it is concept of HTML5, so it's not like just directly related to LWC because LWC is completely now HTML5 based, so we can directly see those examples in LWC. So without further delay, let's move into our code. So here is my org, and where we need to show the demo of uh, slot example. So what I did is I just simply created a parent component LWC, and this particular parent component we are going to place on this home page. So simply we can edit the page, and here is the parent component. We can directly place it here or anywhere if we want to have it. Save it. Just activate this home page. Assign as org default. Save it. Let's go back. So my parent component does not contain much things. That just a simply lightning card is there. Within that lightning card, there are two paragraphs, and within one paragraph, we are going to place the child component. So I just kept it one place. Okay, so this is how it will look without any child component actually placed here. Let's go and create one child component. Create child lightning component, and then it has child component for slot. So it is created. I'll copy this whole target exposed thing to my child component so that I should be able to expose this child component as well. Now I'll place this component within this. So just to define, it's better to define something on this template. I am child component. I think it's better to have some kind of paragraph. Let's see if we can get something. Let's take it layout simple. Placing it here so that it should be able to show I am child component, right? So let's see, deploy this change. And let's paste this child component into this. See, right. So for slot, okay, let's deploy it. I think it's showing some error. Let's refresh it. I think we got some errors. I don't need that button, so I will simply remove it. Delete. Hmm. So here it's showing I'm child component. So now let's understand what the slot is. So there are two types of slot. One is unnamed slot. Let's see what it is. So unnamed slot is a placeholder within the child. Let's go to child. This is my child component, and I'm going to place one slot here. Let's do it within this one. Or what we can simply do is, let's put this one as lightning. Item, and let's put a slot here. So what I will require is, I'm just writing this. This is unnamed slot. Okay, let's see if that. So I'm just creating one slot here, and it's my unnamed slot. And what this slot is nothing but a placeholder. So whatever I will pass from parent component within this child component will come here. So let's move back to this child component, and I'll pass that kind of paragraph. This para is coming from parent component. Okay, so we'll just simply deploy this. No matching tag. I think it should fine. Let's move this particular component first. It's went away. Hmm. Let me remove this one first, then let's see if that works. Okay, it's deployed. Let's see and refresh this page. Okay, this is unnamed slot. This para is coming from parent component. You can see here this slot has filled up with those text which is sent from the parent component. So slot is nothing but a placeholder where we are passing these values from um, parent. Another type of slot is called named slot, where we define that this is a name of the slot and this has to be rendered in this way. So what we'll simply do is one thing. We'll let's put it over it. This is named slot, and this is the slot. I will name it name equal to my favorite or my slot one. Let me put one. Let's see if there is a class we can add. My slot one. Okay. Sorry, I think it should be in this way. We add a para here. So whatever will come, it will come into this paragraph. Simply we can add CSS just to make it more child component for slot .css. I'll do one thing, simply my slot CSS. So I'll create a CSS class. Just create the background color as this. Okay. Just to highlight that is a slot. Okay, do one more thing we can do is let's do one more thing. We can create one more unnamed slot class. Let's make a background color as okay, let's make it yellow then, because it will be highlighted properly. Okay, so there are slot, so I'm just making it paragraph class equal to unnamed slot. Okay, let's deploy this component. It's deployed. Now come back to parent component, and in the parent component what we have is we need to pass that so in the parent child components I just pass this just checking the name my slot one. I am from my slot. I'm from parent component. Okay, I think not sure why it is coming like that, but yeah, it's deployed now. Let's see if the changes are there. Okay, so this error is coming from parent component. This is named slot. Okay, I think something is wrong with named slot. It's not showing. Let's check why. So we go here. This is a named slot. P class my slot 1. Okay, my slot 1. Okay, so name is changed. I think class name is different and slot name is different. Class name is perfectly fine, but what we have done wrong is slot name. So let's save it and deploy it. Okay, I hope this should work fine. So now you can see I'm from my slot from parent component. I think only thing is it's not showing the style sheet. Okay, let's check it. What's wrong with it? Let's make it some different color. Maybe light blue. Orange will be fine. Okay. My slot 1. Okay, it's not showing. Okay, it's closed here. My bad. Hopefully this should work now. Yeah, okay. So this is how it is working. So thanks for watching this. If you like it, please like my video. Thanks.